Welcome back to the National Mobility Equipment Register. In this video, we'll take you through the steps to set up an account and register your mobility equipment. First of all, head to nmer.co.uk. Then select Register Now in the top right or on the main banner. The National Mobility Equipment Register is a national register that helps you protect your mobility equipment and makes it easier to recover if it's ever lost or stolen. Inside the NMER, you can find out up-to-date information about product recalls, helpful guides and advice, big brand rewards including discounts and money back on purchases, and ensure that your data is safe and secure. So now let's get started with setting up your account. First of all, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's an email address you have access to, as this is how you will confirm your account. Once you've done this, click Confirm. Now it's time to enter your personal account details. This means if your equipment ever goes missing, there's a way to get it back to you, and we can also keep you in the loop with any important recall information or useful advice. Once you've done this, please select which marketing options you would prefer. Once you've done this and you've confirmed all the information is correct, please click Save Account Details. Now it's time to add your mobility equipment. First of all, select the product type that you would like to register. For this, we're registering a mobility scooter. Then enter your serial number. We have a video on our channel explaining where you can find your serial number. Next, you'll enter the product make or brand, model number, and date of purchase. We'll also ask how much you paid for your scooter and whether it has a manufacturer's warranty. You can usually find this information in your purchase documents. As mentioned in another video, insurance isn't a legal requirement for mobility equipment, but it is highly recommended for your peace of mind. For this scooter, a free month of insurance was included with the purchase, so I'll select yes and enter the policy number. Finally, add in who your insurance is with, when it expires, and where you brought the scooter. In my case, that was Eden Mobility. Once that's done, I'll just click Add Equipment. Here we can see the details that you've just entered, along with the option to add more equipment. But don't worry, you can always update or add to this later. Once you're happy, click Complete Registration. You'll then be redirected to the NMER homepage, where you'll see confirmation that your details have been submitted. You should also receive an email to complete your account and set your password. Just make sure it's at least 8 characters with a number and a special character. And just like that, you're all set. From your dashboard, you can edit your registered equipment, add more items, and update your details at any time. You'll also get access to exclusive rewards and helpful resources. Thank you for using the National Mobility Equipment Register, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.